Yeah, 401 Southern Cal, UDX 791 Gulf Islands, North Pacific waving.
Where's the North Island exactly?
We're due north of you, man. We're due north of you. Same time zone. We're off the west coast of Canada.
Wow, I'm very impressed. Wow, that's really great. Thanks for letting me know that. I'm amazed that I can do that. I can get to you guys.
Yeah, you're coming in real good. I got a good copy on you. I got my beam pointed right at you. And whereabouts in Southern Cal are you? Like San Diego, Los Angeles?
Yeah, right between the two, Orange County. It's funny, I just have like a bare bones President radio here with a wire strung across my driveway. I'm amazed I'm able to get out at all.
You're coming in real good. Nice signal. I'm about 1,200 miles due north of you. Our islands are about 100 miles north of Seattle as the crow flies.
That's awesome. Great meeting you. What were your numbers again?
You got UDX 791, and we're out here on the Gulf Islands off the southwest coast of British Columbia.
Awesome. 783 to you.
All right there, 401 Orange County. Sounding good, man. That president working in that antenna you got there. Awesome. Have a good one. UDX 791 on the side, 73.
How about that UDX 791, World Radio 0380, Orange County, SoCal.
Hey, Southern Cal, World Radio 0380. Sounding good.
Roger, thanks for the comeback, 73s. Hope you have a great day. Enjoy your DX, World Radio 0380, Orange County, SoCal. We're waving.
All right there, Southern Cal. Good to hear you there, World Radio 0380. Q5 all the way. UDX 791 up here on the Gulf Islands, due north of you.
Roger, 73s, World Radio 0380, Orange County, SoCal. Standing by, listening.
73s.
How about 767 Orange County, testing dipole antenna.
Hey, dipole sounding good.
All right, you're pushing Santiago 9 plus 10, Orange County, California, Orange County, California. This is World Radio
791, you got a copy on
20 feet above the ground.
Yeah, okay there, Orange County, California. Dipole's working good. I hear another station out there coming back too. Hey, have a good one out there. Happy DXing there, Orange County. UDX 791, Gulf Islands on the side.
All right, check.
Yeah, 791, 409, SoCal.
Yeah, 409. We hear you too. You're blasting in here.
Roger. Keep up the good work, 791, 409, clear.
All right, 409, Southern Cal. Man, you're loud and proud. Enjoy the skip. UDX 791 on the side.
UDX before you go down. UDX 791 on Liberty 357, John Wayne Airport.
Hey, Liberty 357. You're slamming in here too to the Gulf Islands in the North Pacific.
Washington State, you're making. Roger, Dieter 791. You can't be too far from Vancouver then, right? Right at the top there on the northwest side, Roger.
Yeah, probably about, our islands are probably about 40, maybe 50 miles southwest. We're tucked up against the very southern point of Vancouver Island, near the Washington State San Juan Islands.
Okay, San Juan. Okay, 73s, man. You're smoking in here to John Wayne Airport. Good copy on you, man. You take care. Have a good weekend. 357 World Radio 3570.
Take care there, World Radio 3570, John Wayne Airport. Sounding good, man. 73 from UDX 791. Wow. Turn the beam towards California and picking up everybody now. Huh.